Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class we will start a new chapter of your annual term. It is chapter number 5, exponents. Now children, what do you mean by exponent and what are the laws of exponents? After that, how to use those laws in the exponent questions, this we will do in this chapter. There are two exercises for you in this chapter. In the very first exercise, we will learn about the exponents, then the various types of laws of exponents, not types, laws of exponents, and then how to convert those exponents, how to simplify those exponents using laws. So let's see the PPT of 5th chapter children. It is exponent. You can see on the screen the rational number we have completed. Okay, 6 exercises were there, we have completed all. I hope you all are preparing your notebook. Then the 5th chapter is exponent. We are a little bit late because of lots of your holidays, but then also we are able to complete it. In your PT, in your UT exam, unit test exam, only 3 chapters, rational numbers, exponents and algebraic expressions will come. I have uploaded the annual term syllabus also, you can see there, and we are on 5th chapter. In this week we will complete this chapter, and then from next week we will start algebraic expression. It contains only 3 exercises. Okay, and after that we will complete chapter number 17 and 18. So it's not necessary to complete all in the month of November, children. Now let's see the exponent. Okay, so chapter number 5, see this children. If you are writing any number which is in the form of x to the power n, or we can write it as a to the power x to the power a, x to the power b, any number. So x is called as base, this x is called as base, and this is in the power. Okay children, this is n, means how many number of times you will multiply this base with itself. So this is called as exponent. And how you can read it? You can read it as x to the power of n. You can read it as x to the power n, or you can read it as x raised to the power n or x raised to n. So both are correct. Now definition is, the exponent of a number says how many times to use that number in multiplication. It is written as small number to the right and above the base. Can you see here? See the example. 8 raised to the power 3. 8 is called as base and 3 is called as exponent. So the base, that is your 8, is multiply how many times, children? It will multiply 3 times together. 3 times. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 will multiply itself 3 times, and whatever the answer will come, this will be its value. Now after this we will start the laws of exponent. The first one is product. A is the base and x is the power. So a to the power x into a to the power y, what will happen? Then if you will divide, then what will happen? If you will multiply the power, how you will calculate? If the 0 is present in the power, what will be the answer? And if negative exponent will be there, what will be the answer? So this is all different classification of laws of exponents, that if you will do the product, then what will be the answer? So these are classified among the laws of exponents, children. I will brief you all here and then in detail we will do it. Like see this one. Here what is the base, children? B is the base. And what is the power? 3. In the second one, B is the base and 8 is the power. So if you will multiply these, then what will happen? These two, the power will be added. Why the power will be added? So now let's see here. See on the board. We will do it. Like if you are writing a to the power m, if you are writing a to the power m, this a will be called as base. This a will be called as base, and this m will be called as exponent. क्या कहते हैं बेटा? Exponent. Or you can call it as power also. Base, this is base and this is power. For example, if instead of a, if I am writing 7 and instead of m I am writing 2, it means what? 7 is the base. This is the example, children. 7 is the base and 2 is the power. And how you will calculate its value? You will multiply this base, that is 7, 2 times. What is in the power? 2. So you will multiply this base 2 times. 7 into 7. So the answer is 49. So if you are writing 7 ka square, then you can write it as 49 also. These two are equal, children. Either you write 49, this is in the form of number. If you are writing it in the form of exponent, you can write it as 7 square. Okay. Now, any other example? Let's take any other example. Let's take 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. So what is the base? Come on. What is the base, children? Base is 3. Base is 3. And what is the exponent? The power? It is 4. It means 3 will multiply with itself. अपने आप से ही multiply होगा. 3 will multiply itself 4 times. So we can write it as 3. Then multiply 3. अभी 2 ही time हुआ है. Then into 3 and one more time 3. So 3 is multiplying 4 times with itself. This is same. These two are same, children. Here we have written it in exponential form. Here you have expanded it. इसको आपने expand कर दिया है. Now what is the value? See, 3 3s are 9. Then when 9 will multiply with 3, 9 3s are 27. And then the whole 27 will multiply with 3. Then 27 3 times is 81. So the answer is 81. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. अगर आप 81 को 3 to the power 4 लिखते हैं, then also it is correct. Or if you are writing 3 to the power 4 as 81, it is correct. Now let's talk about the various laws of exponents. Various laws of exponents, children. Now let's see the PPT first. See the PPT, children. See here. This is from your book. Wait. Yes. Laws of exponent. The laws of exponent on integer can be extended to rational number, because in class 7th you have to learn about the laws of exponent on rational number. So here they have written as, for any rational number a by b and positive integer m and n, we have first law, a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equal to 8 by b whole to the power m plus n. Now see how we will do it. Let's see one by one. Laws of exponent. Laws of exponents. Children, laws of exponents. What it says? It says that if you have taken any integer, first of all let's talk about integer, and its base is m, okay, and there is one more exponential number a whose base is a, and its power is, its exponent is different, that is n, and you are multiplying it, then what will happen, children? Base is same. Base is same. यहाँ पर भी a है, यहाँ पर भी a है. Base is same and you are multiplying. You are multiplying. So what will happen? Their power will be added. Their power will be added. See, a to the power m plus n. Clear? Example, 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. See, base is 3, base is 3. Base were equal. And you are multiplying them. Power नहीं देखोगे बेटा, बस base देखिए. See the base only. Are they equal? Yes. And you are multiplying. So what you will do? You will write the same base, that is 3, and add their powers. 3 plus 2. That is equal to 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. This is the answer. अगर base equal है and you are multiplying, then you will add their power. Now if you, this is in terms of integer, हमने integer लिए हैं बेटा, it can be minus also. But if you will talk about the rational number, then it will not be in this form. It will be in some different form, like a by b. Like a by b. It is in the form of rational number where a is any integer, b is any integer, and b is not equal to 0. तो ये rational number की form में हो गया. Same rational number is here. Same rational number is here. A by b whole to the power m, a by b whole to the power n. Are the bases equal? अब base क्या है बेटा? Now the base is the rational number, nothing else. अब पहले base बस एक integer था, अब एक base rational number हो गया. Are they equal? Let's see. Are they equal? क्या वो equal है? Yes. ये भी a by b है, ये भी a by b है. a में कोई नंबर होगा और b में कोई नंबर होगा, है ना? तो same number will be here also. So yes. So what will be the answer? The base are equal. If the base are equal, base are equal. Base क्या है यहाँ पे? a by b. यहाँ पे base क्या है? a by b. And you are multiplying. So you will write the base. What is the base, children? Now the base is in the form of rational number. So you will write down rational number a by b. Base is a by b. And you are multiplying them. आप उसे multiply कर रहे हो. So the power will be added. Power will be added. Power either same or different. We will not see the power. We will see the base only. We will focus on the base. If they are equal and we are multiplying them, then the power will be added. ठीक है? जो भी power होगी, equal हो तो भी add होगा, unequal हो तो भी add होगा. Like for example, let's take an example. I am taking 3 by 5 a rational number. और उसकी power है 2. ठीक है? And one more rational number I am taking, that is again 3 by 5. वो भी 3 by 5 है. And its rational number is 4. Its power is 4. One rational number 3 by 5, उसकी power है 2. Another rational number 3 by 5, उसकी power है 4. Rational numbers are same. Base are same. Yes, bases are same. यहाँ पे base 3 by 5 है. पूरा लेंगे बेटा. Base is now 3 by 5. उसकी power है 2. Base is 3 by 5. उसकी power है 4. Base तो equal हो गए. Now what we are doing? If you are multiplying them, then write down the base. What is the base? 3 by 5. Rational number है. तो लिख दिया बेटा 3 by 5 and add their powers. Add their powers. 2 plus 4. That is ultimately it can be written as or 3 by 5 whole to the power 6. 3 by 5 whole to the power 6. And how you can find its value? 3 by 5 whole to the power 6 को आपकी वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगी बेटा? इसकी वैल्यू निकलेगी 3 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 6. Now the power will be in numerator as well as in denominator, and then you will open it. 3 to the power 6 क्या है? 5 to the power 6 क्या है? You will write it and you will find its answer. So in this way, this is the first law. If you are multiplying any rational number and any rational number with the power, and their bases are same, the rational numbers are same, and you are multiplying them, their power will be added. Okay. Now what happen if you are dividing them? अगर आप divide कर रहे हैं, ये second law होगा. What happen if you are dividing them? Base are same. So you will write the same base. यहाँ पे भी a by b है, यहाँ पे भी a by b है. Base are same. same rational number. So you will write the same rational number a by b. But now you are not multiplying, you are dividing them. You are dividing them. So what will happen? Their power will be subtracted. Their power will be subtracted. कैसे subtract होगा? First you write this, that is first power minus the second power, m minus n, m minus n. Like example is 1 by 2. This is a rational number. Yes, इसका पावर हमने 6 ले लिया, divided by one more rational number, that is again 1 by 2. Same rational number I am taking, same होना चाहिए. So it is 1 by 2 to the power 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? 1 by 2. Write the same rational number. Write the same rational number 1 by 2. What is the first one? 6. Power is 6. You are dividing, children, so the power will be subtracted. जब आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो पावर क्या हो जाएगी? सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. I hope it is clear to you. Okay? 6 minus 3. ऐसे. So what will be the answer? Come on. The answer is 1 by 2 to the power 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. In power you will write it here. Power is 3. Now when you will expand it, when you will open it, children, 1 by 2 to the power 3, what is its value? अगर आपको इसकी वैल्यू पूछी जा रही है, so what you will write? 1 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3, in this way. So 1 to the power 3 means 1 will multiply 3 times, and 2 to the power 3 means 2 will multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So the answer is 1 by 8. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8 is the answer of this question. The question is given in this form, and they will ask that simplify or evaluate. So you have to reach till here. आपको यहाँ तक करना होगा. Now let's move to the next part, that is, see, they have given already the division one. Now let's see the next part, children. See, I am picking the example, the book page from your chapter number 5. See, they have divided it. Now what happens if m is less than n? If m is less than n, then what will happen? Nothing. We will reciprocal it, or what we will do? We will find it and then reciprocal it. It's same, children. Like for example, let's see here. Let's see the example. What happen if m is greater than n? ऐसा अगर m is greater than n, ये तब तो ठीक है. m is greater than n, then the value will be in positive. But what will happen if m is less than n? ये क्या है बच्चों? m is less than n means ये छोटा हो जाए, क्योंकि हमें पहले इसको रखना है और ये छोटा हो गया, and we have to subtract. Example देखते हैं पहले. 1 by 2 to the power 4 divided by 1 by 2 to the power 6. ठीक है. Same base 1 by 2, same 1 by 2. Base are same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Rational number है और they are same. We are dividing them. So what your ma'am said? Your ma'am said that you have to subtract the power. First you have to write this minus this. So write down the rational number 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is the first one? First power is 4. And that is less than the second power. वही बोला गया कि m is less than n. m क्या है? n से less है, छोटा है. This m first वाला power जो है बेटा, this one is smaller than the second power. तब क्या होगा? That is the thing. 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. Now when you will subtract it, 1 by 2, it will become what? 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 2. 4 minus 6 is what? Minus 2. ठीक है, minus 2 हो गया. तो आप नेगेटिव में कभी पावर नहीं रखते लास्ट में. वी नेवर राइट द पावर इन नेगेटिव एट द एंड. टिल हियर वी कैन राइट कि -2 आ रहा है. देन वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस इन पॉजिटिव. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द पावर इन पॉजिटिव. सो हाउ यू विल कन्वर्ट? मेक इट रेसिप्रोकल. whatever the number is given, just make it reciprocal. reciprocal हो जाएगा और पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. ठीक है, कैसे बेटा? 1/2 to the power -2 can be equal to 2 to the power 1. 2 by 1. 2 by 1. 1/2 को हमने रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया 2 by 1. And this -2 will become +2. -2 will become +2. Whenever you find a negative sign, reciprocal the number which is there inside the bracket. Okay? अगर पावर आपका नेगेटिव में आ रहा है तो आपको वो नंबर क्या करना होगा? रेसिप्रोकल करना होगा. इफ इंटीजर इज देयर देन डिवाइड बाय 1 एंड देन रेसिप्रोकल इट. मेक इट रेसिप्रोकल. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. फोर्थ पार्ट इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पावर्स. व्हाट विल हैपन? ओके, द नेक्स्ट लॉ. I think I am able to complete the law only. So maybe I will start 5A or not, I don't know. So let's see the next one. Children, these laws are very important. If this today's class will be clear to you, na, then you are able to apply it in your exercise. Otherwise, if I will start the questions directly without telling you the laws of exponent or in a very compact manner, if I will explain it, it will not be helpful to you. Next part is, if there is a rational number, let me take only the integer. A to the power m to the power n. I am applying this laws of exponent on integer. ये integer लिया है हमने अभी. And its power is m and its whole power is n, means a to the power m to the power n. Bracket is there. So how you will write? This bracket means multiply, children. You know it now. This bracket means multiplication. So what will happen? You will multiply the power with itself. जहाँ आपको ये bracket दिख गया, it means it is a multiplication. m multiplication n. m into n. Okay, like sometimes they used to give you the complex question. They used to confuse you. Like they used to give a to the power m to the power n and then to the power p. ऐसे दे देंगे, कोई बात नहीं. These all belongs to multiplication. So a to the power m into n. a to the power m into n. पहले तो ये करेंगे, ठीक है. उसकी भी पावर p है, तो a to the power mn, first multiply this mn into p. So a to the power mn, m into n into p. That will be the final answer. Means wherever you find the bracket in between the power, multiply it. Now let's take the rational number a by b. Now what will happen? Same thing will apply. Whatever you are doing in integer, same you will apply in rational number. Only the difference is that the form is now changed. Earlier it was a only one number was there. Now it is in the form of a by b. So a by b to the power m into n. m into n. Okay. Now when you will open it, this will be a by b to the power mn. Or if you have to further extend it, तो ये हो जाएगा a to the power mn divided by b to the power mn. a will multiply with a power is mn and b power is also mn. That is why it is whole to the power mn. Example, children. Let's take an example. Actually it should be in this way, whole to the power mn, to the power 3. Okay, so what we will do? 3 by 2 to the power 2 into 3. 3 by 2 to the power 2 है, उसका भी पावर 3 है, so 2 into 3. Now the answer is 3 by 2 whole to the power 6. 6 आ जाएगा बेटा, 2 3 जा 6. So when you will expand it, the answer will be 3 to the power 6 as well as 2 to the power 6. Okay. Now next one is, see the next part. Next part is the reciprocal one children. A by b to the power minus n. अभी हमने किया था वो a by b to the power minus n. If it is there, then how we will solve? Okay, let me do it. A by b to the power minus m. If the power is negative, if the power is negative, then what will happen? It can be same as 1 upon, इसको बेटा ना डिनोमिनेटर में ले आते हैं लोग, a by b to the power m. ऐसे negative is now changed into positive when you will reverse it, or you can write it as what? b by a. reciprocal कीजिए. Denominator will go in numerator and numerator will go in denominator. Make it reciprocal. Now minus m will become plus m. Changed. Same here. ये यहाँ पे भी यही होगा. See, when you will solve this ना, this is 1 upon a to the power m upon b to the power m, और ये जो denominator है, this will go and multiply in numerator. So it will be b to the power m upon a to the power m. See, these two are equal. देखो, these two are equal. So in any way you can solve. Either you do it in this way, इसको denominator में पूरा का पूरा ले जाइए and make it positive, or make it reciprocal. Change the sign directly. Minus negative is there in the exponent. If negative sign is there, you have to make it positive. How you will make it positive? Just reciprocal the number which is inside the bracket. इसको reciprocal कर दीजिए. a by b क्या हो जाएगा? b by a. And now the power is positive. Clear? See the next one. Next part is, okay, the next part is children, a by b to the power 0. a by b to the power 0 is what? किसी की पावर अगर 0 हो गई तो क्या होगा? How we will find it? Okay, see. Now let's see this. I am taking the integer, then we will proceed. Like 3 to the power 0. It is 1 children. The number is given and its power is 0. Then the answer will always be 1. 3 to the power 0 क्या होगा? 1. 13 to the power 0 क्या होगा? 1. 113 to the power 0 is also equal to 1. 1131 to the power 0 is also 1. Any number you can take, if its power is 0, the value will be 1. Now see how it comes. Okay, how ma'am? How if the variable, if the power is 0, the value will always be 1. Children, let's think about how this 0 has come. In the power, how 0 has come. 0 कैसे आया power में? So now let's go back. If the base is 3, okay, and we are dividing it with the same base, here the power is same, power is 5, and the denominator, the power is also same, like, wait, 3 to the power 5 and 3 to the power 5, we are dividing it. So what we will do children, अगर आप same base है 3 and power is also same and you are dividing, what will happen? You will write 3, that is base. Divide means you have to subtract the power. अगर divide हो गया, base same है 3, base is same, you will write 3. Now divide है तो you will subtract the power. So if you will subtract the power, what will happen? 5 minus 5. This is equal to 3 to the power 0. ये 3 to the power 0 होता है. ठीक है? 0 कैसे आया? जब base is also same and power is also same and you are dividing it. मल्टीप्लाइंग में नहीं, मल्टीप्लाइंग में तो पावर ऐड हो जाएगी. In division, when you will divide it with the same power, with the same base, then the power will come 0. लेकिन अभी भी आपका 1 का आंसर नहीं आया मैम. हाउ? ओके 0 तो आ गया पावर में मैम, बट हाउ दिस 1 हैज कम? सो नाउ सी चिल्ड्रन, रिवर्स बैक और पीछे जाइए. दिस इज व्हाट? 3 to the power 5. This is what? Divided by 3 to the power 5. Come on. Whatever the value will come in numerator, same value will come in denominator. Same value will come in denominator. And it will cut down. Its answer will be 1. उसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 1. 3 to the power 5 की जो वैल्यू आएगी वो न्यूमरेटर में यहाँ लिखेंगे. 3 to the power 5 की वैल्यू यहाँ भी लिखेंगे. जब आप उसको कट करेंगे तो सेम वैल्यू है, तो आंसर विल बी 1. Okay, see this. Ma'am is explaining you in reverse order. How this 0 has come? 0 कैसे आया? First of all, I have explained that 0 has come because of this criteria. Base is same, power is also same, and you are dividing. When you are dividing, power will be subtracted. तो ये 0 हो गया. And when you will cut this, same number is in numerator, same number is in denominator. When the value, whatever the value will come, if you will cut it, the answer will be 1. So this is the law of exponent. Same in children, in rational number you will apply the same thing. That if there is any rational number a by b to the power 0, then its answer will be 1. कोई भी हो, कोई भी rational number हो. 3 by 5, it is a rational number. Its power is 0. The answer will be 1. 13 by 5, its power is 0. Then answer will be 1. Any number, any rational number whose power is 0, the answer will be 1. So this is all about what we have done in today's class. I will revise the next one. See, if you will see the questions, children. See the question. See this. Write each of the following in exponential notation. Wait. See this. Write each of the following in exponential notation. इसको आपको एक्सपोनेंशियल नोटेशन में लिखना है. मीन्स इन द पावर, एज अ पावर. सो 5, लेट मी राइट वन थिंग. दिस इज 5th चैप्टर ना, सो वी विल डू ऑड पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्स्ट पार्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फर्स्ट पार्ट चिल्ड्रन. इट व्हाट इट सेज? 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. So you can see here, see the board, you can see here that there is a rational number 5 by 7 and you are multiplying it 4 times. You are multiplying it 4 times. So what you can write? 5 by 7, base is same. Base is same children. 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 5 by 7. So it is power 1. It is also power 1. It is also power 1 and power 1. So if you are multiplying with the same base, either 2 or 3 or many, same bases are there and you are multiplying them, their power will be added. No power given means power is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this will be 5 by 7 to the power 4. Only in this manner you have to write down the answer. No need to expand it. इसके बाद इवेल्युएट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to write it in exponential form. So keep the answer here only. Now see the next part, third part. Minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 children. Third part. And it is negative rational number. Minus 1 by 6 is multiplying how many times? 3 times. Same rational number children with the same sign. Same sign. See the board. Same rational number है with the negative sign. If negative sign is not there, we can't treat it as same rational number. Sign should also be same. Negative 1 by 6, negative 1 by 6, negative 1 by 6. Yes, they all are same. And you are multiplying them. So base is what? Base is minus 1 by 6. Base is same. Power is 1, 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times. So the answer is 1 by 6 to the power 3 minus, keep the minus inside. When you will open it, then you will find it whether it will come in negative or positive. But till now you have to write down here. You have to write down in exponential form, so no need to open it. This is the final answer. After this, if you will go to the next question, see children, express the following in power notation. So these questions express the following as a rational number. Now we will solve it in next class. I hope the laws of exponents are clear to you. If not, revise, replay the whole video again and do it sincerely. Take your book and do it, children. Write down all the laws of exponent before starting exercise 5A. Okay? Till then, children, take care.